What the duck? By now you would have seen a number of our videos featuring Ducky, a 3D CAD model of a rubber duck. You've probably sat back and wondered, why the duck? Well, Ducky's our mascot. Ducks can walk, swim and fly. Ducks are pretty unique, just like us. We at AMP, serving the manufacturing industry, can do three main things too. We CAD with SolidWorks and 3D Experience, we CAM with Mastercam, and we CNC with Pocket NC and our own workshop, creating products based on what we modeled in SolidWorks and prep for machining with Mastercam. We're pretty unique in that we actually use the software we sell to make physical products in our own workshop. Ducky's origin is pretty simple. We wanted to accelerate our online presence with content shared on social media and YouTube, bringing value to our customers. So there were some considerations. Firstly, continuity. Our first video for 2022 was a SolidWorks tutorial on modeling a bath plug, which is part of a bigger story for another post. Continuity could be in the story or in a continuity device. It's pretty easy to go from bath plug to bath to rubber duck. Secondly, we wanted to showcase the X apps on the 3D Experience platform. We decided on Xshape, the core app from the 3D Sculptor role, which is a subdivisional modeling tool and used for modeling complicated and organic shapes easily using push-pull techniques. It's pretty simple to use a few pictures as a guide to get the shape that you want. Finally, we wanted to have some fun. CAD tools and the people who use them often stir up feelings of seriousness. Yes, CAD is a powerful tool used for hardcore engineering and manufacturing, certainly, but you can also do a lot of cool things if you just let loose a bit. Taking all that into account, Ducky was born. So why the eye patch? What happened to his eye? Well, since we actually run a machine shop and make things, it made sense to bring in a key topic: safety. Ducky unfortunately had a workshop accident and lost his eye. Often people like to blast metal filings and shavings away from their workpiece using compressed air. Ducky was not wearing his safety glasses, standard issue PPE, and hot shaving ended up in his eye. This is called chip flyback, causing the loss of that eye. Hot metal and rubber are not friends. Lesson learned, Ducky is now a safety mascot and does his bit to ensure workplace safety daily. Ducks have many interesting qualities and characteristics. Like, did you know ducks are incredibly intelligent and fast learners? And ducks have great vision, even better than humans and dogs. Also, ducks are used as pest control. So watch out, pirates. Check out our LinkedIn and YouTube pages for more adventures of Ducky.